Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on function. And I think this is from my iGCSE textbook and question as well. So it's suitable for GCSE and 10th grade algebra and also for AS level mathematics. Now there are two questions, and the first one says f is a function such that f of x is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1. And the first part says find f of half, okay, for this one here. And then it says g is a function such that g of x is equal to the square root of x minus 1. And part B says find f of gx, giving your answer as simply as possible. Right, for the first one, we need to substitute the f of a half. We need to substitute half into this output there. Okay, so you replace x squared by a half squared there, plus 1. And a half squared is a quarter, and a quarter plus 1 will give us 5 over 4. If we then invert, we then end the answer is going to be 4 over 5. So f of a half is same as 4 over 5 there. Now for part B, we're supposed to find f of gx. Now we know we know that g of x is the square root of x minus 1. So in effect, this then becomes the function of f of the square root of x minus 1 there. Okay, so now we replace our x squared there with the square root of x minus 1. And when you square the square root of x minus 1, you get x minus 1 and then plus 1 there. Now 1 minus 1 is 0, so you end up with 1 over x. Now you have to say that this is only valid that x cannot be 0, because f 1 over 0 will give you a maths error in your calculator. Try it and see. So x cannot be 0 for this question here. Okay, so x can take any value apart from 0. Okay, now for question 2, we got that functions h and k are defined as follows. Function x, it says x, this means that x maps into s squared plus 1. And for function k, x maps into ax plus b, where a and b are constants. If h of 0 is equal to k of 0 and k of 2 is equal to 15, find the values of a and b. Right, now this one here, or that one for that matter, we can write it as h of x is equal to x squared plus 1, similar to this one here, and k of x is equal to ax plus b. Okay, right, now h of 0 means substitute all your x values with 0 there. So 0 squared is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, so h of 0 is 1. Right, now k of 0 there is same as saying a times 0 plus b, and a times 0 is 0, 0 plus b is equal to b there. Now those two are supposed to be the same, yes, because h of 0 is equal to k of 0, so which then means that b is equal to 1. Right, we know that k of 2 is 15 there. Okay, so if we then write that 2a plus b is equal to 15, because if we substitute for x, you put 2 there, that's for k of 2 there. So 2a plus b is equal to 15. Okay, because we know that b is equal to 1, so this then becomes 2a plus 1 is equal to 15. If you then subtract 15 from both sides, if you then subtract 1 from both sides, you end up with 2a is equal to 14 there. And if you then divide both sides by 2, you end up with a is equal to 7. Now, can you go back and check? Substitute for k of x, you should put that 7x plus 1 and see what you get, and compare that with this one here. So kx is now 7x plus 1. So k of x is 7x plus 1. Now try and see if you can get the same answer for h of 0 is equal to k of 0, and the k of 2 is equal to 15. Now I hope all that made some sense. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.